Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Lag in Animal Crossing New Horizons can totally ruin your gaming experience, but the good news is that fixing it is way easier than you might think. Step 1. We're going to start by clearing up your Nintendo Switch's cache, which is one of the most effective ways to eliminate lag. Step 2. Next, we'll look at your internet connection and make sure you're getting the best possible speed. Step 3. Then we'll dive into managing your island's storage and reducing unnecessary items that slow things down. Step 4. After that, we'll cover updating your game to the latest version because sometimes lag is just a software issue. Step 5. Finally, we'll talk about backing up your saved data and doing a quick system reset if nothing else works. These methods have helped thousands of players, so stick around to find out which one works best for you.